Does Bitcoin pollute the planet? It's a fascinating topic for one reason. It is that the first idea that will come to mind is actually, I believe, the opposite of the reality. The first idea that comes to mind is that when you look at the total energy consumption, it's huge. It could be comparable to a country. And that's what we've seen a lot in the press. But actually, what's very interesting with Bitcoin is that this energy comes from electricity. And guess what? We are looking for the cheapest electricity, and this cheaper electricity comes from renewable source of energy. So actually, even though the network is using a lot of energy, this energy comes mainly from renewable source because they are cheaper. Renewable source in two ways: surplus, electricity that is not sold anyway, and also electricity that comes from renewable plants like hydroelectric plants, for instance. There is also one last argument which is interesting to look at when we consider this question of Bitcoin and ecology, is to compare it with the traditional financial system. All these coins, these notes, these banks, this infrastructure, these people going to work in those banks, they are actually using a lot of energy. And unfortunately, a lot of this energy doesn't come at all from renewable source of energy. Therefore, even though Bitcoin uses a lot of energy, I don't think it's actually polluting that much the planet, because it's offering an alternative that relies more on renewable source and energy than the current system that we have.